Gemini Omni is available and absolutely wild. Place your avatar on any scene. Woza ngikubonise ukuthi ukwenza kanjani lokho.
The Zulu on the avatar me was great, right? I was like, what the? Oh my word. That was pure AI. I just wrote to the text and then it read it out perfectly in Zulu. That is Gemini Omni and it rolled out. I want to show you how you access it, and it is being rolled out at the time of me recording this video. Not everyone has it. So don't go to my comments and says, I don't see it. You will see it when you can see the avatar. So let me show you real quick how you access it and what other features you can use to make your business grow more and more. Got a new toy, and if you open up your Gemini and you want to play with the new Gemini Omni, you need to click on the plus button, and then you will see a new tag that you could use, which is called avatar. Then it means you have Gemini Omni. So click on the avatar so that you can start recording your avatar using your phone. So always do this first on your phone before you jump in on your computer. Click on get started and capture a selfie video so that the system can start creating your avatar. It's going to ask you to record numbers to capture your voice. So make sure that it's quiet and there's nobody else's voice is available. And then it's going to upload it to your Gemini, and then your avatar will be active on your phone as well as your laptop. So you don't have to be on a laptop, but it's just easy on the laptop. You're going to click on the plus button and you're going to select more uploads, and you're going to create an avatar. It's going to load your avatar over there button and scroll down to video in order to bring your videos to life. You will then pick a template. They say that you can try any template, or you can describe the video that you want to create. The videos that you saw earlier on, I've created them using the video game, the one. And the other one, I just wrote text with Wakanda's story behind it, and then I created that. So you can pick any of these templates to try it out. I suggest that if you are on the lower grade, or if you are on the free tier, because when you're looking for video and it's not available, you're either on a free tier, they haven't rolled it out to you, or you are on the lower grade and you're getting 2 videos every 5 hours. So be very sparingly when you're using this and use it wisely. So let's, for example, continue the conversation, or maybe select comic book. And then when you click comic book, it will add it over there of a comic book, and then update and create that and see what happens. Cool stuff. Let's see. We've added the comic and we've created this video. Let's see.
Every scar tells a story. We must find the strength to carry on. Keep moving forward, no matter what happens.
This is definitely not comic book. That's not what I asked for, but let's try editing a video. It can also change the different kinds of videos that you've created. So earlier on, I created that Black Panther one.
Place your avatar on any scene. Woza ngikubonise ukuthi ukwenza kanjani lokho.
And I just wanted her to change the clothes. So I'm going to recreate that and redo that video and see how it's going to change the outfit, and then show you that it does editing with the AI. So you tell the AI what it needs to change on your video, and then it edits it. Great stuff. So let's see how it looks like.
Place your avatar on any scene. Woza ngikubonise ukuthi ukwenza kanjani lokho.
I liked the other one. I liked the other one, definitely. So that Gemini can be a little bit stricter than Google Flow. So sign in on your Google Flow account. You will get Gemini. On one of these tags, it's available as try Omni as Gemini. Or if you go on new projects and then you select a new video. Like when you are on all media and you click on the plus button, you get access to your avatar, and then you can create using Flow, which gives a little bit more credits than Gemini. So try using Google Flow if you run out of credits on Gemini, but use it sparingly and use it wisely and create beautiful, beautiful work, because you have your own studio right here that helps you edit. On your Google Flow, it comes with an agent that listens to you and changes things as you want changes on the videos that you're creating. So maybe the question that you might have on Gemini is, where am I going to get pricing? How much credits can I get on this tool? Gemini and Google are not very clear on exactly how much. We don't know when they're going to roll it out to free accounts. We know that if you have a plus account, you will get it, like it has rolled out to me. And when you click on your settings, you are able to go see your usage limit. It will then show you how much you have used and when it's going to reset. I have seen that it resets every 5 hours. So every 5 hours you can create, so you can time it properly, especially when you're in Africa and you're using your money like sparingly like me. Make sure that you budget your time properly and use it wisely, and then use both Google Flow and Gemini in order for you to create videos that are going to generate income for you and your business. So here's what I want from you. Drop your country in the comments: Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, Zimbabwe, wherever you're creating from. Let me know and tell me what AI problem you want me to test next. Should I try it on TikTok with trend analysis? Trend analysis Nigeria, thumbnail copy for your niche, script generation. I'm going to test top 5 requests that I get and drop the results in the next video. Let's go!